I'm Sister Ellen, delegate from Indonesia. My experience in this capital general chapter is very nice because it is a great opportunity for me, for us who attended this chapter, because this is our first time and we have a great experience in this chapter. Because as a sister or as a delegate from other country, we have the freedom to speech. We have we feel that we are united with other sisters, and we really feel the love from other sisters.